FK Tech here. First introduced as Volkswagen ID.aero concept, the ID.7 has a touch-centric interior and is a step towards the real thing. Volkswagen's next electric car is the ID.7, and a camouflaged version debuted at CES 2023 today. The Volkswagen ID.7, an example of the ID.aero concept, is a mid-size sedan sold in the United States, possibly for the 2024 model year. The non-stealth ID.7 is expected to be released in the coming months, but the camouflaged vehicle will provide additional details. Volkswagen wants everyone to know that its next electric model will be a mid-size sedan called the ID.7, unveiled today at CES 2023. What doesn't Volkswagen want everyone to know yet? Hence the spectacular camouflage that hides the details of the latest design of the car. Despite its vague appearance, we have a good idea of what the Volkswagen ID.7 will look like based on the id.aero concept we saw last year. Both are the same. Only now do we know the real name of the sedan. Volkswagen has revealed that a boxless production version of the ID.7 will make its world debut in the coming months, but for now, the camouflaged car gives us a glimpse of what to expect. Take a look inside first. Unlike the Aero concept, the ID.7 gives us our first look at the sedan's interior. The dashboard design is simple, but equipped with a large 15.0-inch touchscreen. Volkswagen also seems intent on removing physical switchgear from the car, as the few visible controls are operated almost entirely by touch. The sedan's touchscreen-centric interior is also available with an augmented reality head-up display. For those who are confused about the digitally controlled air vents on Porsche models like the Taycan and Panamera, Volkswagen uses similar technology in the ID.7. We weren't fans of this setup before, and I doubt this will change our minds. However, Volkswagen says HVAC controls will always be available on the center touchscreen. The Smart Fan is said to be equipped with additional technology such as detecting when the driver is approaching and heating or cooling the interior. Technical layer of paint. Don't expect this car's complex technical paint to make the final cut. But it's really nice. Volkswagen says it has at least 40 layers, including a mix of conductive and insulating layers. The paint is divided into 22 zones, all but the top layer of which are electrically operated, creating lighting zones that sync with the music. The company also incorporated a QR code into the design, directing people who scanned it to Volkswagen website. But even volatile electroluminescent paint can't hide the size of the ID.7. It is similar to the existing Volkswagen Passat. The ID.7 represents the car's spiritual successor and VW's first electric sedan. It's based on the same MEB platform that underpins the ID.4 SUV and the ID. Buzz pickup, with a 116.9-inch wheelbase, potential supply circuit and battery field. The ID.7 could be all-wheel drive with a single electric motor or two motors in the rear, but Volkswagen has yet to reveal engine details. Instead, the company claims that the ID.7 will offer a range of up to 700 kilometers. However, this is based on the most optimistic European WLTP cycle, so we think the EPA estimated range will be closer to 550 miles. The Volkswagen ID.7 is expected to make its official debut in the second quarter of this year, and we believe the US version could be a 2024 model. I'd also like to know more about the powertrain and features, such as about pricing, which could start at around $35,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.